Job descriptions, resume. The key for you is to make those two things work together. Job description is a company telling you what they want. A resume is telling you how you can help them do what they want. All right, let me show you how the Teal Resume Builder's new job matching mode can help you do just that. All right, let's jump in. So here we are in Tina's job tracker, and she wants to apply to this job, Lifecycle Marketing Director at Crunchbase, and it's in the applying stage. And we've got all the keywords, and prior to this new set of features in the Teal Resume Builder, this was pretty hard to bring together. So now let's come over and make a new resume. So we'll come over to the Teal Resume Builder, we'll start a new resume, and let's go ahead and call this Crunchbase position. And by default, everything gets filled out. So we'll leave off the professional summary and things like that for now so you can see how this works. So now in the resume builder, you've got this brand new matching mode. And if we click that, we can pick what job we want to connect to. So let's type Crunchbase. And there we go. We'll pull that from our list. And right now, this job is a 24% match score. And what we're using is the keywords in the resume and the keywords in the job description. When you scroll down over here, what you'll see is the green check is for words that you have in your resume that are in the JD. The red X are for things that are in the JD, but not on your resume. And then the cool thing for this little blue exclamation mark is things that are in your career history, but not on your resume yet. Because the way the Teal Resume Builder works is that you have this career history of things that you can just turn on and off. So let's highlight that. Right now we're at a 24%. Let's find that. Oh, here it is. It's in both of my professional summaries. So let's go ahead and turn that professional summary on. And now we're at 25%. So we can just go ahead and turn that off. And great. We found that. Let's work our way down. Next is people management. That's a soft skill. Let me go ahead and find that. So it's actually in this professional summary. So let me switch to this one instead. And now we're at 27%. And we can continue to work our way down our keywords. And so things like I might want to include, like I've built pipelines in here twice, so I could knock that out with one achievement. I want to be part of an inclusive culture. Marketing funnel. You know, some of these are keywords that we catch. You don't have to get 100%. I think you really want to strive for, this kind of like 80% range. Use some judgment on the keywords. But you can see here the words that are in the JD that are not on your resume. So what we can do next is quickly add some keywords. And what we're going to focus on is these high priority words. High priority words are either on the JD more than twice, or if we could detect it in the requirements section of the job description. So let's take an example here like communications. All right, here at my last job at WeWork, I'm going to add an achievement. And in this case, I'll go ahead and use the assistant. And so what did I do? I increased, let's say, SEO backlinks by, let's say, around 80%. In this case, I'm not going to use a time frame. I could if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that. And we'll just paste in what I had here from before. Planning and executing a PR and communications strategy. Let's go ahead and save that. And now we're at 29% matching score. And so what you can do here is you can work your way through. You can go back to the job description and see it in here. You can identify keywords that you're interested in. If we want, we can turn off these and just look at the hard skills in particular that we'd like to focus on. Or if we want to go look at our notes that we took in the job, we can do that here as well. If maybe we're doing our research, we can put those right here in our notes. But the goal is to work through the keywords and get your score into that 70-80% range. Like I said, the keywords may not be exact, but if we go down here, see pipeline is clearly important, marketing funnel is important, create, implement, and so some of what you may want to do is look through your existing achievements and just switch the word. So here, managed CRM deployment and increased retention by 23%. You know what I'll do here is I'll just go ahead and hit Control-C on my keyboard. I'll add an achievement. I'm gonna paste that in, and I'm just gonna change this to implemented. So that's a quick overview of the new matching mode in Teal. Look for updates that are gonna be coming to this very quickly. There's all sorts of cool things around the requirements, words that are in your resume that not in the JD to help you refine it even faster. So if there's things you'd like to see, let us know in the comments. If you love the tool, let us know in the feedback. The team loves to see those things. And if there's other things you need in your job search, please let us know in the comments. Like, share the video if you found this helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.